In this fun little toy, you can move its arms, legs, and even its head. It's all made out of one sheet of 6x6 inch origami paper. Mind blown. For this video, let's take the humans out and fold this paper in half with the colored side up. Crease sharply and then unfold. Now fold one edge to the middle crease. Crease sharply and then turn over and unfold, and take this edge and fold it to the middle crease. Crease sharply and unfold, and then turn over and take this one of the edges and fold it to the 1/4 mark crease. Pinch the 1/4 mark crease and take it to the middle crease. Now pinch the middle crease and take it to the 3/4 mark crease. Now take the 3/4 mark crease and fold it to the end. Make the last one very accurate. And then unfold all. Now do the same thing on the other side. Fold in half, crease sharply, unfold, and then take one of the edges and fold it to the middle crease. Turn over and then unfold, and then take this edge and fold it to the middle crease. Unfold, and then turn over and take this edge and fold it to the 1/4 mark crease, and crease sharply. Pinch the 1/4 mark crease and take it to the middle crease, and crease sharply. Take the middle crease and fold it to the 3/4 mark crease, and crease sharply, and take the 3/4 mark crease and fold it to the end. Make the end one very accurate. And then unfold all. Now having the color, now flatten everything. Now having the colored side up, make sure that those two edge ones are mountain folds. Now take one corner and fold it to the point where there's 2 boxes left, and fold the first 2 boxes, and crease sharply. Now take the other corner, fold it so that there's 2 boxes left, and fold the first 2 boxes. Now flatten and turn over. And take this so that there's 1, 2, 3 boxes on the top, and skip the first box and do the second and third box. This part's the hardest part. Unfold and do the other corner the same way. It should be 3 below, and then skip one of them and then crease the other 2. Now you have to turn over, take this corner again and fold it up so that there's just one box left. Now you have to skip Now you have to skip 2 of them and make a crease mark at 3 and number 4. Unfold and do the same thing on the other side. There should be one at the top, and skip 2 and make it at the third one and the fourth one. So that at the top there's a diamond and at the bottom there's a triangle. And then fold the crease that's on the triangle and fold the triangle itself so that's a mountain fold outside the box. And then fold this so that it's a mountain fold and so that it looks like a mountain. And do the same thing on the other side. This is one of the hardest step too. And then pinch these two corners and then match them with the mountains that you made. Don't make that crease yet. Just take this and pinch everything together. And now you can fold that crease. Now you can see how this gets together. Those are the legs. That's about to be the head. See, those are the legs. Now, to make the head, first you need to fold this down like that. And to do that, you can turn it over and fold it. Fold on that crease. Now go to the other side and just make it lean down and then fold on that crease. And while I'm doing that, I'm making the arms of this man. And then just push the head together. And that's how you make a human. Right now I'm pushing the head together. Sometimes it can be a pain in the neck. And then fold everything so that it looks like a one big strip and crease very sharply. That's what makes this human flexible and it doesn't come apart so easily. That's how you make a human. This was Aditya Paul.